Hey everybody, welcome to Marcus Fixes Stuff, the show where I teach you how to fix stuff at home so you don't have to pay for an expensive repairman. In this case, I'm going to show you how to fix something at work. Anyway, this Brother laser printer is printing weird smudges all over the pages, along the edges, so something is dirty in there and we're going to clean it and make it better. Let's get to work. I'm printing a page right now, just a little test page, and to see if it looks good or not. And no. This does not look good. Look, we've got smudges here. We've got all these along the edge of the paper, down at the bottom too. And you know, it's dry. It's not. The toner has done its job correctly, but it's still smudging. So we're going to see what's going on here and hopefully fix it. All right, we're going to open the top of this. We're going to open where the toner is and the drum. This thing with the green band here, that's the drum, and then the toner sits inside of it. We got to pop that out, so we're going to push this green button here. That releases the toner, and there you have it. Now, we're going to take a dry cloth. You don't want to do anything wet. We're going to take a dry cloth, and we're going to wipe all of this off. We're going to blow it out with some compressed air and see if we can't fix the problem. Here's the toner. We're going to turn it upside down. Now, I recommend using a microfiber cloth to wipe this thing down, but I don't have one here at work, so I'm just going to use this clean paper towel. Again, dry paper towel, dry microfiber, nothing wet. And you can see there's a little bit on there. And do that a couple times, clean it off. And you don't want to leave a trace of paper towel anywhere, so don't go too hard with this. We've got that cleaned up. Now we're going to move to the drum. Now, this is the part of the drum that transfers the toner, so we don't want to mess with it. But what we can do is on the very top of the toner, run this tab back and forth. See if we can get a shot in there. There's a little brush on the edge of this, and it cleans that roller. Do that a few times. We're going to do it a couple more. Then we're going to take our compressed air and blow this out. Take our can of air here. We're going to blow this out. Get on in there. Make sure that there's no torn off pieces of paper or debris. I'm going to do the top as well. And just for good measure, we're going to blow out the drum. We're going to put our toner back in. Just press down until it clicks. If it doesn't do that, then you don't have it in the right way. Feed it back into the printer. Close the door, close the lid, and it's got to run for a second, and then we'll see if the paper is coming out clean or not. Okay, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if that paper comes out clean or smudged. Oh, it came out great. Look at that. That looks like another job well done. Thanks for watching Marcus Fixes Stuff. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you liked the video. Leave any comments that you got, and I will see you again when something else breaks. God bless.